Good morning, grade 7. Let's see fourth problem from set 39 based on partnership. Now see, A and B shared a profit of 24,500 rupees in proportion 3 is to 7. Now 3 is to 7 is the ratio of proportion of A is to B. Now what total profit they have got is 24,500. So A is going to get 3 parts and B is going to get 7 parts of this profit. So let the common factor be x. Therefore A's share will be 3x and B's share of profit will be 7x. Together their profit is to 24,500. So we can have 3x plus 7x is equal to 24,500. 7 plus 3, 10x is equal to 24,500. And therefore x will be equal to 24,500 upon 10. 1010 gone. Alright. So what is x? 2450. Therefore x is equal to 2450. Now what is A's share? A's share is 3x. So A's share is equal to 3x, which will be equal to 3 into 2450, which is equal to 0 over here. 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13, 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. So 7,350 is profit of A. Now listen to the next part of the question. Each of them gave 2% of his share of profit to the soldiers' welfare fund. What was the actual amount given to the fund by each of them? Now they have given 2% of their profit. That means A is going to give 2% of 7,350 to soldiers' welfare fund. So how much fund will be given by A? Fund given by A is 2% of this 7,350, because this is the profit of A. Are you understanding me? Okay. So 2% means what? 2 upon 100 into 7350. So this 0 and this 0 gone. So what we have? 2 5s are 10 again, 2 3s are 6 and 1 7, 7 2s are 14 upon 10. This 0 gone. So A, fund given by A we can say. Okay. Fund given by A. Fund by A. How much? Rupees 147. Got it, everybody? Similarly, we will calculate for B now. So now let's see. B share is what? 7x. Please pause the video and take this down. I want to erase this part. Alright. So let us calculate now B's profit. So how much profit B is going to get? It is 7x. So we have B's profit now. B's profit is equal to 7x, which will be equal to 7 into how much is x? 2450. So B's profit will be equal to 0, 7 5s are 35, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 3, 31, 3 carry over, 7 2s are 14 and 3 70. So B's profit is 17,150. A's profit is 7,350. Now B, fund given by B. Fund given by B. That is 2% of his profit. So it is 2% of 17,150. Alright. So how much will be given by B? So which will be equal to 2 upon 100 into 17150. Again this 0 gone. Alright. So how much fund is given by B? that is equal to, multiply by 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 3, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2 and 1 3 by 10. So B is going to contribute 343 rupees. Okay, so A will contribute 147 and B will contribute 343 rupees. I hope it is clear. Okay, have you understood? Let's go to the next problem. Now let's go to the fifth problem. See now, Jaya, Seema, Nikhil and Nilesh put in all together 3,60,000 rupees to form a partnership with their investments being in the proportion 3:4:7:6. What was Jaya's actual share in the capital? First we will find out this question. What was Jaya's share? Now see, ratios are 3:4:7:6. That means first name is of Jaya. So Jaya's investment is 3x. If we take common factor as x. Seema's investment, second name, so 4x. Nikhil's investment 7x. And Nilesh's investment is 6x as per the proportions given. Now, we want to find Jaya's investment. Altogether investment is 3,60,000. So altogether means 3x plus 4x plus 7x plus 6x will be equal to 3,60,000. Alright. Now 4 plus 6, 10 and 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. So 20x is equal to 3,60,000. So x will be equal to 3,60,000 upon 20. 2 gone, 2 1s are 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 18 2s are 36 and 1 2 3 zeros, 1 2 3. So x is equal to 18,000. We want to find whose investment? Jaya's investment. So Jaya's investment is equal to 3x, which is equal to 3 into 18,000. So you have 3 into 18,000. So we have 0, 0, 0. These 3 zeros and 18 3s are 54. So, alright. So 54,000 is 54,000 rupees. 54,000 rupees is Jaya's investment. Up till here is clear? Alright. Now next question in that is how much profit they made. 12% of profit. So how much profit did Nikhil made? We have already studied that percentage of investment is equal to percentage of profit. Alright. So how much percent you are investing, that much percentage of profit you will get. So always remember that profit is always according to the percentage, or it is proportional to the amount you have invested. It is always the law in partnership. How much percent you are investing, that much percent profit you are going to get. So 12% profit, they made profit of 12%. How much profit did Nikhil make? Nikhil's name is third name. Third name is Nikhil. So Nikhil's investment is 7x, isn't it? And therefore, even it will be 12% of 7x. That is his profit. So Nikhil's profit is 12% of what is investment of Nikhil? 7x. Okay. So let us find out this, and you can pause the video and take it down. Okay. So let us do it now. So 12% is 12 upon 100. Of means multiply 7. And x is how much? X is 18,000. 2 zeros and 2 zeros. Alright. So 12% of 7x. So that is equal to 12 into 7 into 180. Carry out this multiplication. So if you carry out multiplication, 12 sevens is 84. 180 into 84 I have done, it comes out to be 15,120. So it is 15,120 rupees. So this is your second answer. This is profit of Nikhil. And this is your first answer. This is investment of Jaya. Is this clear? So this is the end of your 9th topic. Please revise by yourself. Thank you.